Namaste and a very warm welcome to the third day of Beyond Borders International Festival of Classical Dance and Music curated by Vidushi Dr. M.S. Sri Lakshmi. I'm Anumasha Nirmal and I'll be the Master of Ceremony for today's program. Natya Ranjani is pleased to honor leading exponents in music Sri Sanjay Chakrabarti, Sri G. Gurumurthy, Sri N.R. Prashant, Sudha and Sai Kritika Mangu with International Sangeet Sarvabhauma Award 2020 and dance exponents Srimati Rubina Sudarman, Srimati Jyoti Umi, Dr. Chandrika Shivalingam and Srimati Atira Venugopalan with International Natya Sarvabhauma Award 2020. All young and promising performers in music and dance will be receiving participation certificates. This year, Natya Ranjani is pleased to honor Natya Acharya Mani, Guru Sri V. Balakrishnan Ji with Lifetime Achievement Award and International Natya Sarvabhauma Award 2020 for his outstanding performance, extraordinary contribution and excellent service to the promotion, preservation and popularization of Indian classical dance. Natya Acharya Mani Guru Sri V. Balakrishnan's passion for Bharatanatyam blossomed at a very tender age. However, he was only able to start at a very late stage in his life. He started his first Bharatanatyam classes under late Sri Balagopalan of Kalakshetra, who was then the dance tutor at CFAS in mid-70s. He later continued his training in Kala Mandir under teachers like Srimati Shanta Bhaskar, Kumari Suryakala and Srimati Jayalakshmi Kandaya from 80 to 86. Bala had vocal music training under Sri K.S. Ganapati and Sri Nageshwaran and learnt the art of Natuvangam under Sri Karaikuri Krishnamurti. His most influential guru was Srimati Neela Satyalingam of Apsara Arts from 86 to 2006. He has performed in numerous productions in Singapore like Dance Festival in 87, Art Festivals in 86 and 92, Sing Singapore in 1991, Navratri performances in Temple, Deepavali Light Up in 1987, 1989, 1990, 1992 and 1993. He also performed in Shinge Procession in the years 89, 90 and 99. He also performed in Natya Tarpanam 2015 and in many television programs. He has also represented Singapore in England, Germany, Switzerland, USA, South Korea, Canada and Australia with Singapore Tourism Promotion Board. He has worked with illustrious gurus like Sri Kalyana Sundaram, Sri V.P. Dhananjayan, Srimati Shanta Dhananjayan and late Srimati Krishnaveni Lakshmanan from Chennai. He made a grand entry into India with his dance in 96. He toured the whole of India with Apsara Arts for Singapore Surprise. He had the golden opportunity to perform at the prestigious Music Academy and Kalakshetra. He was invited to Carnegie School of Dance in Tokyo, Japan to give dance recitals from 96 to 97. In 2000, Sri Bala gave a full dance recital for inauguration of Tanjavur Dance Center in Toronto, Canada, now known as InDance, supported by Department of Foreign Affairs and International Trade, Canada. Sri Bala also loves to choreograph. In 1990, he founded Bharatanjali, which was successfully launched in 2008 by late K.P. Bhaskar. He was conferred with the title Bharata Kalaimani by Apsara Arts in the year 1997. He was a TV producer by profession. From 76 to 2007, he has produced many TV shows. Noteworthy are a full-length documentary on dance entitled Bharatachudar, Kalasagaram, Agni, Raghabandangal on music and numerous productions on art. He won awards for Best Variety Program in 1999 and Best Cultural Program in 2004. He traveled to Switzerland for picturization of songs for Deepavali Special in 1999 and he traveled to Thailand for Deepavali Special in 2004. Awarded the title Bharata Tilakam on 24 August 2002 by Pranavam Kalasadhana for his full-length solo dance performance named Ananda Natana. He was invited to present a solo Bharatanatyam recital in the Music and Dance Festival in 2003 organized by CFAS. He was conferred the title Natya Kalanipuna by Nrityalaya Aesthetic Society in 2005 for his 50th birthday celebration. He was a guru in residence with Pranavam Kala Sadhana from 2005 to 2008. He is also a lyricist and has penned many songs for productions in Malaysia, India, and Singapore. He was conferred Natya Acharyamani, the Lifetime Achievement Award in 2014, organized by Apsara Arts and Dance Asia Pacific. His recent solo recitals are Pratishta in 2008, Adumvel in 2012, Uma Tribute to Mother, Shukavani Divine Parrot, and Lahari, his 60th birthday celebration. And lyrics for all of the above mentioned productions were also written by him. He also staged many dance productions in South India. Natesha Arpanam and Shivam Shivakaram in Chidambaram Nataraja Temple, Kannanum Kandanum, and Shukavani in Varasati Vinayagar Temple in Chennai. He also performed in Natyanjali in Chidambaram Temple, Kumbukonam, Mailadithurai, Gangikonda Cholapuram, and Thiruvidai Marudur. He was conferred the title Mayur Nartana Ilaival by the Trust of Mailadithurai in 2016, Chinnamelam Festival at Tanjavur Periya Koil, Natyanjali Festival at Sona University, Salem were some of the other performances he has given. He was conferred the title Natya Kala Nipuna by Sona University, Salem after his performance. He has also conducted arangetrams for his students in Chennai, Madurai, and Bangalore. Our first performance for today is Ms. Ishita Pai Raikar, promising Bharatanatyam performer from Singapore. Ishita is an enthusiast and a passionate dancer. She is a disciple of Guru Vidushi Dr. M.S. Srilakshmi. Ishita's significant achievements include performing Arangetram on 19 December 2017 in Goa, awarded the Kindled Spirit Award in 2008 at an International Women's Day event organized by the Dance India, a cultural magazine supported by Andhra Pradesh Cultural Tourism. She was awarded the title Kala Ratna 2017 in December 2017. She was awarded the prestigious Aryabhatta International Award in 2017 in recognition to her contribution in the field of Bharatanatyam. Along with her school's annual day functions, Ishita has participated in various dance programs across Singapore, including prestigious events held at the most coveted venues like Esplanade Theatre, Indian High Commission, Singapore's Changi Airport, Diwali event, Singapore's Police Force, and the Expo. Ishita has had the privilege of performing in the welcoming event of Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi when he visited Singapore. She has also been performing every year at Navaratri temple programs, Maharashtra Mandal Singapore events, and People Association functions organized by various community centers. She has won prizes for her solo and group performances at Pabnasham Simon competitions, Chankar Dance Competition, Dancing Stars of Singapore, and PE Talent Hunt. Let's watch her vibrant performance.
वृंदावनी वेणुवाजे वृंदावने वेणुवाजे वृंदावनी वेणुवाजे वृंदावनी 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 वेणु वृंदावनी वेणु वादे ವೇಣುಕವಣತ್ವ ಮಾಯವಾದೆ ವೇಣುಕವಣತ್ವ ಮಾಯವಾದೆ ವೇಣುನಾದೆ ಗೋವರ್ಧನ ವಾಸೆ ವೇಣುನಾದೆ ಗೋವರ್ಧನ ವಾಸೆ ವೇಣುನಾದೆ ಗೋವರ್ಧನ ವಾಸೆ ವೃಂದಾವನಿ ವೇಣು ವಾಸೆ ವೃಂದಾವನಿ ವೇಣು ವಾಸೆ ವೃಂದಾವನಿ ವೇಣು ಪಚ್ಚ ಪಸರೂನಿ ಮಯೂರ ವಿರಾರೆ ಪಚ್ಚ ಪಸರೂನಿ ಮಯೂರ ವಿರಾರೆ ಪಚ್ಚ ಪಸರೂನಿ ಮಯೂರ ವಿರಾಜೆ ಪಚ್ಚ ಪಸರೂನಿ ಮಯೂರ ವಿರಾಜೆ ಮಾಸ ಪಾಗತ ಭಾಸತ ಯಾದವ ರಾಜೆ ರಾಜೆ ವೃಂದಾವನಿ ವೇಣು ವಾಸೆ ವೃಂದಾವನಿ ವೇಣು ವಾಸೆ ವೃಂದಾವನಿ ವೇಣು ತೃಣಚರಾಚರು ವಿಸರಲಿ ತೃಣಚರಾಚರು ವಿಸರಲಿ ತೃಣಚರಾಚರು ವಿಸರಲಿ ತೃಣಚರಾಚರು ವಿಸರಲಿ गाई व्याघ्र एक थाली साली गाई व्याघ्र एक थाली साली पक्षी कुळे निवांत राहिली पक्षी कुळे निवांत राहिली वैरभाव समूळ विसरली वैरभाव समूळ विसरली वृंदावनी वेणु वाजे वृंदावनी वेणु वाजे वृंदावनी वेणु ध्वनि मंजुळ मंजुळ उमडती ध्वनि मंजुळ मंजुळ उमडती वंकी ऋणजुण ऋणजुण गावती वंकी ऋणजुण ऋणजुण गावती देवविमानी वैसोनी स्तुति गाती 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 भानुदास भानुदास भावली प्रेम भक्ति भानुदास भावली प्रेम भक्ति प्रेम भक्ति प्रेम भक्ति वेणुनादे वेणुनादे गोवर्धन वाजे वेणुनादे गोवर्धन वाजे वेणुनादे गोवर्धन वाजे वृंदावनी वेणु वाजे वृंदावनी वेणु वाजे वृंदावनी वेणु वाजे वृंदावनी वेणु वृंदावनी वेणु वृंदावनी वेणु वृंदावनी वेणु वाजे वेणु वाजे वेणु वाजे Nadirdim tananatom tadaradani nadirdim nadirdim letillana 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 nadirdim tananatom nadirdim tananatom tadaradani nadirdim nadirdim letillana 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 nadirdim tananatom nadirdim tananatom tadaradani nadirdim nadirdim letillana 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 letillana nadirdim tananatom tadaradani dhirana tani udaradani dherana takidajam madani takidajam gapasa takidajam madani takidajam gapasa takidajam madani takidajam gapasa takidajam sani da pa sani da pa re da nadirdim தன்னன்னதோம் தரதனி நாததோம் நாததோம் தேதல்தன நாததோம் தேதல்தன நாததீம் தன்னன்னதோம் தரிகிடஜம் தரிகிடஜம் தஜனுதம் தரிகிடஜம் தரிகிடஜம் தஜனுதம் தத்தரிகிட தக தக தித்தளாங்கு திகு தரிகிட தக தக தித்தளாங்கு தோம் திர்திர்தோம் தித்தோம் திதோம் தத்தரிகிட தக தக தித்தளாங்கு திகு தரிகிட தக தக தித்தளாங்கு தோம் திர்திர்தோம் தித்தோம் திதோம் தில்லான தித்தில்லான தித்தில்லான தில்லான தித்தில்லான தித்தில்லான தில்லான தித்தில்லான தித்தில்லான சாரி மகரி சரி மத தனி கபச சரி தப தப தரி நததீம் தன்னன்னதோம் தரதனி நததோம் நாததோம் தேதல்தன நாததோம் தேதல்தன நாததீம் தன்னன்னதோம் வதனமத விரிசனே அதரமத முரிசனே மதுரகாலம் பஜே முரளி மனோகருடனே மதுரகாலம் பஜே முரளி மனோகருடனே மதன கதன குதூகலரிடம்பனி மதன கொதன குதூகலரிடம்பனி மதன கதன குதூகலரிடம்பனி வீரான 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 ரவே வதன மதே விரிசனே அதர மதே விரிசனே மதுரகாலம் பஜே முரளி மனோஹருடனே மதன கதன குதூகலரிடம்பனி வீரான 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 ரவே தரிகிடஜம் தரிகிடஜம் தஜனுத தரிகிடஜம் தரிகிடஜம் தஜனுத தத்தரிகிடஜம் தரிகிடஜம் தஜனுத தரிகிடஜம் தரிகிடஜம் தஜனுத தத்தரிகிட தக தக தித்தளாங்கு திகு தரிகிட தக தக தித்தளாங்கு தோம் திர்திர்தோம் திர்தோம் திதோம் தத்தரிகிட தக தக தித்தளாங்கு திகு தரிகிட தக தக தித்தளாங்கு தோம் திர்திர்தோம் தித்தோம் திதோம் தில்லான தித்தில்லான தித்தில்லான தில்லான தித்தில்லான தித்தில்லான தில்லான தித்தல்லான தித்தில்லான சாரி மகரி சரி மத தனி கபச சரி தப மகர மகரி சரி தனன்னதோம் தததனி நாததோம் நாததோம் நாததீம் தனன்னதோம் நாததீம் தனன்னதோம் நாததீம் தனன்னதோம்
It was a wonderful performance. Our next performance is by Guru Srimati Chandrika Shivalingam from Selangor, Malaysia. Srimati Chandrika Shivalingam started learning dance at the age of 11. She took initial training from Temple of Fine Arts, Malaysia in Bharatanatyam and continued her training in India from late Padma Shri Adiyar K. Lakshmanan in 1988 and she did her Arangetram there. She continued her profession by teaching in Temple of Fine Arts in Malaysia. She had her graduation ceremony and she was awarded the title Nrityanjali by Swami Shantanand Saraswati, founder of Temple of Fine Arts. She is also being trained in Odissi in Temple of Fine Arts by Sri Gajendra Panda and Sri Durgacharan in India. She has received the title Nritya Shiromani at prestigious international music and dance festival, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Although she is suffering with pain in her arm and she is undergoing treatment, she has managed to present a wonderful performance for us today. Let's enjoy.
निशुम्भशुम्भमर्दिनीं प्रचण्डमुण्डखण्डिनीं निशुम्भशुम्भमर्दिनीं निशुम्भशुम्भमर्दिनीं प्रचण्डमुण्डखण्डिनीं निशुम्भशुम्भमर्दिनीं प्रचण्डमुण्डखण्डिनीं वने रणे प्रकाशिनीं वने रणे प्रकाशिनीं भजामि 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 विन्ध्यवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं त्रिशूलरत्नधारिणीं धराविघातहारिणीं त्रिशूलरत्नधारिणीं त्रिशूलरत्नधारिणीं धराविघातहारिणीं गृहे गृहे निवासिनीं गृहे गृहे निवासिनीं भजामि 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 विन्ध्यवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं ऋषीन्द्रजामिना प्रदां ऋषीन्द्रजामिना प्रदां त्रिधा स्वरूपधारिणीं त्रिधा स्वरूपधारिणीं स्वरूपधारिणीं चले जले स्थले निवासिनीं जले स्थले निवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं dim dim tanana dim dim tanana dim dim tana dim dim tanana dim dim tanana dim dim tanana dim dim tana dim dim tanana dim dim tanana dim dim tanana dim dim tanana dim tana 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 विशिष्ट सृष्टिकारिणी विशाल रूपधारिणी विशाल रूपधारिणीं रूपधारिणी महोदरं विलासिनी महोदरं विलासिनी भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनी भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनी भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनी पुरन्दरादि सेवितां पुरन्दरादि सेवितां पुरन्दरादि सेवितां मुरादिवंशखण्डिनी मुरादिवंशखण्डिनी विशुद्धबुद्धिकारिणी विशुद्धबुद्धिकारिणी भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनी 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 भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं भजामि विन्ध्यवासिनीं
That's such a graceful and vibrant performance. The next performance is Kuchipudi by Guru Srimati Atira Venugopalan from Singapore. Guru Atira Venugopalan is from Kerala and she was initiated into the world of dance at a tender age of 5. She did her Arangetram in Bharatanatyam at the age of 12 under the tutelage of her Guru Srimati Kalamandalam Vinodini. After learning Bharatanatyam for some years, establishing herself as trained dancer, she was attracted to the beauty and unique style of Kuchipudi, and she started learning the basics of this art form from her guru. Later, she did her post-graduation in performing arts, specializing in Kuchipudi at the University of Hyderabad. Today, Atira is acknowledged as a fine exponent of Kuchipudi because of her artistic charm, elegance, and gracefulness. She is pursuing her training under the guidance of distinguished Kuchipudi exponent Dr. Anuradha Jonnalagada, who is the disciple of Guru late Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam, the legendary choreographer and the renowned guru of Kuchipudi. Currently based in Singapore, she is a well-accomplished dance teacher and also has appeared as a mentor in a television dance reality show. She is teaching Kuchipudi at CFAS, or Singapore Indian Fine Arts Society, and Bharatanatyam at GICC, Cultural Center set up by Global Indian International School, or GIIS. Her students have won many prizes in competition organized by reputed organizations in Singapore. Now let's watch the rhythmic and graceful performance of Srimati Atira.
రామరో గోపాల దేవుని రామరో గోపాల దేవుని రామరో గోపాల దేవుని ప్రేమను దోచిన సత్యభామనే సత్యభామనే
తక్కిడ తగదం తగదం తద్ది గిన్నత్త తక్కిడ తగదం తగదం తద్ది గిన్నత్త ధిం తగిట ధిం తగిట దొం తత్వం కిడగిట గిడదం ధిం తగిట ధిం తగిట దొం తత్వం కిడగిట గిడదం దినగిట 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 తాకిట జంతరి దిత్తాకిట జంతరి తద్దిత్తాకిట జంతరి తదం తద్ది గిన్నత్త తాకిట జంతరి దిత్తాకిట జంతరి తద్దిత్తాకిట జంతరి తదం తద్ది గిన్నత్త తాకిట జంతరి దిత్తాకిట జంతరి తద్దిత్తాకిట జంతరి తదం తద్ది గిన్నత్త
ఇంటినే చామంతినే ఇంటినే చామంతినే మరుదంతినే విరిబంతినే 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 జానతనమున సతులలో నెరజాడనై వెలిగేటిదాన జానతనమున సతులలో నెరజాడనై వెలిగేటిదాన జానతనమున సతులలో నెరజాడనై 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 వెలిగేటి సత్యభామనే సత్యభామనే
ధిం ధిమ్మిత్త జిన్నత్త తరిగిడ దొం తగ తరిగిడ దొం తగ దిగు తరిగిడ దొం త తరిగిడ దొం తగ తరిగిడ దొం తగ దిగు తరిగిడ దొం తై తరిగిడ దొం తగ తరిగిడ దొం తగ దిగు తరిగిడ దొం
అందమున ఆనందమున గోవిందునకు నెరవిందునై 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 నందనందనుడెందుగానక దెందమందున కుంగుచున్న నందనందనుడెందుగానక దెందమందున కుంగుచున్న నందనందనుడెందుగానక 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 దెందమందున కుంగుచున్న భామనే సత్యభామనే
తగ తద్ది దిత్త తద్దిత్త త త కిడగిడ గిడదం తద్ది దిత్త తద్దిత్త త త కిడగిడ గిడదం తద్ది దిత్త తద్దిత్త త త కిడగిడ గిడదం
ఊరిమి సత్రాజిత్తు కూతురై ఇందరిలోన కూరిమి 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 సత్రాజిత్తు కూతురై నాదు మగనిని బాసి తాళ జాలకాయున్నట్టిదానా నాదు మగనిని బాసి నాదు మగనిని బాసి నాదు మగనిని బాసి తాళ జాలకాయున్నట్టి సత్యభామనే సత్యభామనే వయ్యారి ముద్దుల వయ్యారి ముద్దుల వయ్యారి సత్యభామనే సత్యభామనే
జండు జండు తిప్పి దిమ్మి తగ్గి తగజగదు దండ జడు తగ తిప్పి దిమ్మి తగ తిప్పి కిట తగ తగ తగజగదు దండ దండ తగ్గి తగజగదు జండు జండు తగది తగదినదు 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 తదింగిణ తగదింగిణ తగదిగు తదింగిణ తగదినదు 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 తదిం తగదు తగదిం తగదు తగదిగు తదిం తగదు తగదినదు 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 తగదు తగదు దండత ದಂಡದ ಚೆಂಡು ತ ಚೆಂಡು ಚೆಂಡು ತ ದಿನ್ ದಂಡದ ಚೆಂಡು ತಂ ತ ದಂಡದ ಚೆಂಡು ದಂಡದ ಚೆಂಡು ದತ್ ತಂಗಡದ ದರಗಡದ ದಂಗಡದ ದರಗಡದ ದಂಗಡದ ದರಗಡದ ದರಗಡದ ದತ್ ತಜು ತದಿ ಗಿಂಡದ ದತ್ ತಜು ತದಿ ಗಿಂಡದ ತಜು ತದಿ ಗಿಂಡದ ತದಿ ಗಿಂಡದ ತದಿ ಗಿಂಡದ ದತ್ ತಜು ತಕ ತದಿ ಗಿಂಡದ ದತ್ ತಜು ತತ್ತಿಂ ಗಿಂಡದ ತಜು ತತ್ತಿಂ ಗಿಂಡದ ತತ ತಿಂ ಗಿಂಡದ ದತ್ ದರಗಡದ ದತ್ ತಜು ತಕ ತಿಕು ಕಡದ ದರಗಡದ ದತ್ ತಜು ತಕ ತಿಕು ಕಡದ ದರಗಡದ ತಜು ತಕ ತಿಕು ಕಡದ ದರಗಡದ ತಕ ತಿಕು ಕಡದ ದರಗಡದ
That was a magnificent performance. On behalf of Natya Rajni, we would like to thank everyone for joining me for a spectacular celebration of Beyond Borders International Festival of Classical Dance and Music 3rd edition. Our sincere thanks to all the promising and leading exponents from various countries for being a part of this prestigious platform and making it a grand success. Namaste.